On today's menu we have mutton pepper fry. Hello fellow chefs, this is Zainab Ali. Welcome to Desout. Here I try to recreate and improvise recipes while reserving the authentic taste of the dish. Make sure to subscribe if you're new and don't forget to like, comment and share if this recipe was good enough for your taste buds. Into a pressure cooker add cubed and boneless mutton pieces. Roughly chopped onions. Roughly chopped tomatoes. Ginger garlic paste. Coriander powder. Red chili powder. Black pepper powder. Turmeric powder. Roasted coriander and cumin powder. And salt. Incorporate. Pour in some water. Mix again. Put on the lid. Cook for 4 whistles. The meat should be semi-tender. Now pour oil in a heated kadhai. Drop in some curry leaves. Then dump in the mutton. Followed by the mutton stock. Mix well. Cover with a lid. Uncover when it starts to bubble. Get the stock to reduce. Add in some slitted green chilies. Roast the mutton. Dash in some garam masala. Lastly, fry some cashews. And curry leaves. Add them to the mutton. Incorporate. Thank you for watching.